We'll guide you through how to make white flash text in After Effects. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start by opening your search bar and typing After Effects so you can find the app quickly. Once it appears, open the After Effects program and wait for it to load fully. After it opens, create a new composition by right-clicking on the project bar on the left side. From the menu that pops up, select New Composition so you can set up your workspace. Now adjust the composition settings based on what you need, including things like the size, frame rate, and duration, and then click OK when everything is ready. After the composition opens, right-click on the timeline at the bottom and choose New from the menu. Then select Text so you can start adding the words you want. Type your text inside the composition window and adjust its position if needed. Open the text settings on the left panel so you can change and animate the text. Click the Animate button to open the list of animation options. Then select Opacity from that list. Open the range selector inside the opacity controls so you can start adjusting how the text appears. Now set the opacity value to 0 so the text starts fully invisible. After that, turn on the Start keyframe and keep its value at 0 for the beginning of the animation. Add your second keyframe by clicking and dragging the start value all the way to 100 so the text becomes fully visible at that moment in the timeline. After setting the keyframes, go to the Effect and Presets menu on the right side of your screen and search for glow. When you see it, click and drag the glow effect into your text layer so it can be added properly. After the glow appears in the Effect panel, adjust the glow settings based on what you like, such as intensity, radius, and color if needed. Turn on the glow radius keyframe so the effect can animate along with the text. Set the first glow radius keyframe to a value you like. Then set the second glow radius keyframe to 0 so the glow fades out smoothly. After all keyframes for both opacity and glow are added, select every keyframe you made by dragging a box over them in the timeline. When they are all highlighted, press F9 on your keyboard to apply Easy Ease so the animation plays smoother. This will help the fade in and glow effect look more natural when you preview it. After finishing these steps, your animated text effect will be ready to use and adjust again if needed.